Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and signal quickly because most sleep issues are simple. First, press the monitor power button and note the LED. Once done, unplug and replug the power cord and wait 10 seconds before powering on to clear stuck states. Next, check the video cable connection at both ends and manually cycle the monitor input using its OSD. This ensures the display is looking at the right source and rules out loose cables. Once the hardware is confirmed, you move into software because the OS or GPU often forces sleep. Open your operating system power profile and set display sleep to never for a test. This tells you if the OS is triggering power saving. Then open your graphics control panel and disable adaptive power or deep power save options. Make sure drivers are current. Outdated GPU drivers can miscommunicate with the monitor. If unsure, swap cables or connect the monitor to another computer to isolate which device is at fault. You finish by resetting and updating because persistent issues often need a fresh state. Use the monitor on-screen menu to perform a factory reset and explicitly turn off any eco or power-saving features. This restores default signaling. Next, check for firmware updates from the manufacturer and apply them if available, then reboot everything. If the problem continues, try a different power strip or wall outlet to rule out power delivery. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.